Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Nuwave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven, touted as one of the best KitchenAid appliances on the market. The Nuwave Bravo XL Pro isn't your average toaster oven, it's a versatile kitchen companion designed to revolutionize how you cook. From air frying to toasting, grilling to baking, this appliance offers a whopping 12 cooking functions and 112 presets, making it incredibly easy to whip up delicious meals with just the touch of a button. Let's start with its enhanced super convection technology, which promises 100% faster fan speed for quicker, crispier results. This means you can enjoy golden brown fries or perfectly roasted chicken in no time. I'll demonstrate how easy it is to use with its intuitive digital interface. You can select from a range of temperatures and adjust fan speeds to ensure even cooking across all layers. Plus, its large 30-quart capacity can fit two 13-inch pizzas or a whole roast chicken. Whether you're air frying, dehydrating, or slow cooking, the Bravo XL Pro has you covered. It even features a smart digital thermometer that monitors food temperature, ensuring your meals are cooked to perfection. I'll share insights into its ease of use and cleaning. Many users praise its versatility and how it simplifies cooking complex dishes. To wrap it up, the Nuwave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a game-changer for any kitchen, combining convenience, versatility, and excellent cooking results. Whether you're a busy parent or a culinary enthusiast, this appliance delivers on its promise. If you're interested in upgrading your kitchen game, check out the link in the description below to learn more about the Nuwave Bravo XL Pro. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips on kitchen gadgets.